I'm Melissa Nakhavoly at Toronto City Hall, where city officials have announced a major milestone in the vaccination campaign. Officials say we have administered 1.5 million doses of the vaccine. And while city officials say this is good news, they say they will continue to focus their efforts on hotspot areas, even as the province will be reducing the amount of supply given to those areas as of next week. 1.5 million doses now in the arms of Torontonians.
This is good work. Now we just have to keep going with the cooperation from the other governments until everyone who wants their shot is able to get it.
City officials applauding the success of the sprint strategy, which targeted hotspot neighborhoods. Right now, Toronto is administering about 90,000 doses per week, but that will decrease to about 60,000 come next week.
We have consistently been advocating, and again, all the GTHA mayors and chairs this week advocated for a continuation of extra supply being allocated to hotspots.
The province has said it will stop shipping 50% of its vaccine supply to hotspots and instead spread them evenly across Ontario as the eligibility list for who can get a COVID-19 vaccine expands, something Mayor John Tory says will not do the province any good.
The numbers that we've presented here today indicate just how profoundly well it is working, and we proceed on the premise that it is best to hit this virus hardest where it is hitting people the hardest, and that we can produce the results to justify that allocation of vaccine.
According to city staff, in the first 13 hotspot postal codes, vaccination rates of adults 18 plus has increased from 13.6% in early April to 48.6% by last Sunday. In an effort to keep the momentum going, the city has announced it will be adding an additional 5 postal codes to its hotspot list, including 3 more in Scarborough, now increasing that list of postal codes to 22. It will also be increasing vaccination appointments by 5,000 next week as the province expands its vaccination eligibility.
It's my sincere hope that we're able to have constructive dialogue with our provincial counterparts, recognizing that really putting the resources in those hotspot communities actually not only benefits those communities directly and benefits the whole city of Toronto, but frankly is a big benefit for the entire province of Ontario.
As of tomorrow, anyone 40 years and older can now book an appointment to be vaccinated at a city-run facility. The city also is stressing that if you cannot make your appointment, to cancel it in advance, because we're now seeing a 1.7% of those appointments being missed. Melissa Nakhavoly, City News.